First, unplug your HyperX headset. Identify the attachment type, Snap-on like Cloud X or Velcro like Cloud Alpha. For Snap-on ear cups, gently but firmly pull the old pads directly away from the ear cup. For Velcro, simply peel the ear pads off. Once removed, use a microfiber cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to thoroughly clean the ear cups, removing any residue from the old pads. Allow to dry completely before attaching new pads. Align the new ear pad with the ear cup by positioning the pad's edges or holes to match the ear cup. For snap-on pads, press firmly until you hear a click sound, ensuring a secure fit all around. For Velcro pads, simply align the pad and press firmly to stick it in place. Once installed, test the fit by wearing the headset and adjusting for comfort. Check the audio quality to ensure there's no interference or leakage, indicating a proper seal. Rotate your ear pads every once in a while to ensure even wear. Store in a cool, dry place.